So SureWest Financial Group has absolutely set itself apart. You know, all the way down to the smallest thing, for example, not having voicemail. Man, not having voicemail. That's weird, isn't it? I mean, everybody's got a cell phone. We all have voicemail. If you're a financial advisor and you're on your way to an appointment and you need something, beneficiary change form or the latest rates or whatever it is, isn't it nice to know? And I know all my SureWest financial advisors already know the answer to this, is that you can pick up the phone and know that a live person answers the phone every time. And when you need something, you just go directly to me. I don't have voicemail. I have voicemail on my phone after hours like we all do, but I don't have voicemail whenever you need it the most, which is when you're calling. You're not calling to leave me a message. So down to something as small as that, and as big as being part of the Annexus Group, which is unique in and of itself. We're talking about a distribution channel that has 12 IMOs. That's it. There's thousands of them in the country. So to not be part of this is a really, really big deal. But it's even a bigger deal to be part of it. So being able to have information that you will never be able to get before, because we have teamed up with the inventor of our industry, the indexed annuity. The inventors of them, SureWest Financial Group, who's a proud member of the Annexus Group, has teamed up with the Genesis Financial Group, who have the worldwide patent on index annuities, that have absolutely is the reason why you and I are sitting here trying to have this opportunity to do business together. So thank you so much again, and please come back early and often and see what else I have to share with you.